What?
He, like, opened the hand sanitizer by, like... by, like, walking towards it. Look at him. He's being evil to me, and then he's like, I'm a normal kitty. I'm a normal kitty. You're not a normal kitty, you're possessed. We should have an exorcism for him. I'm evil. Come on, rotate like you did before. Do it for the camera.
Careful, his claws will like on your face.
Hey, this is me and Tino, and he's evil. I'm evil. Here comes the circle of love. I cannot pass. Oh no, don't leave. You're gonna destroy the world. I don't think Tina likes me very much. You're gonna like me. You're gonna like me. You're gonna like me. What are you gonna do next? Call 911 on this phone and destroy the world. Oh my God, he's trying. He's figuring out ways to stop it. He's like, I'm gonna stop